welcome you in our today's class. Today we are going to read the poem Adventure of Isabel. The same poem we have done in the last class. Now we will continue it. Adventures of Isabel. I have discussed the main idea of this poem with you. Can anyone tell me what is the main idea of the poem, or what are the main points of the poem Adventures of Isabel? Who was Isabel? Yes, Isabel was a girl who faced all the problems bravely. Now I will describe the theme of the poem again for you. Adventures of Isabel is a poem that tells what happens when a girl named Isabel meets a ravenous bear, a witch, a giant and a doctor who all wants to harm her. Instead of worrying, Isabel beats them all. So, the whole poem is about the adventures of Isabel, how she meets with the other creatures and how she behaves with them. She didn't fear and she faced all the problems courageously. Today we will do question answers of this poem. First make a page, write day, date and the name of the poem. Then come on question number 1. Your writing should be neat. What did Isabel do before she ate the bear? In this question, what is the poet asking? He is asking that what did Isabel do before she ate the bear? Can anyone tell me the answer? Yes, Isabel washed her hands. She washed her hands and straightened her hair up. What is this word? Straightened. What is the pronunciation? Straightened her hair up before she ate the bear. She did 2 things before eating the bear. What were these 2 things? Straightened her hair up, and the next is washed her hands. Isabel washed her hands and straightened her hair up before she ate the bear. Now question number 2. What did the witch look like? Witch is a character which has been discussed in the poem, this poem Adventure of Isabel. Isabel meets a witch, and what does witch look like? Answer is the witch's face was cross and wrinkled. Which face mean? Apostrophe S is referring to the face of witch. That's why apostrophe S is used. Which face? It means face of the witch was cross. There were some lines and wrinkled. And she didn't have many teeth. The witch face was cross and wrinkled. There were wrinkles on his or her face. And she didn't have many teeth. Now question number 3. How did Isabel deal with the witch? Now when did she meet with the witch? What did Isabel do? Who will give me the answer of this question? Yes, Isabel turned the witch into milk and drank her. As I told you that Isabel was a courageous girl, she didn't fear from any problem. That's why Isabel turned the witch into milk and drank her. And she get rid of the witch. Question number 4. What did the giant want to do to Isabel? Giant means very huge. Giant means very huge. The answer is the giant wanted to grind Isabel's bone. Again apostrophe S. It means bones of Isabel to make his bread. Means that giant wanted to grind the bones of Isabel and wanted to make a bread for himself. The giant wanted to grind Isabel's bone to make his bread. Question number 5 is, what was Isabel doing during her meeting with the giant? When Isabel met with the giant, what was she doing? Yes, tell me the answer. She was eating Zwieback. What was she doing? She was eating Zwieback. What is Zwieback? It is a type of food. Zwieback is a type of food. She was eating Zwieback. Your homework is question, make sentences from the following words. You will make sentences from these words. Ravenous, it means very hungry. Scream, to shout. Worry, to take tension. Scurry, move hurriedly. And last one, hideous, it means very tall. Very ugly. Hideous mean very ugly. You will use these words in sentences of your own. You will do this work neatly and carefully. Beside writing this work, you will also learn this work. Allah Hafiz student. See you in the next video.